Several weeks ago, I gave a presentation to a group of charter school principals. At the end, I handed out an index card and encouraged them to write down one specific action they were going to take as a result of what they heard during my presentation, and I would reach out to them to hold them accountable. Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill. Thanks for listening. One of the participants in the presentation wrote, "I'm going to implement the Magic 6 by February 28th. Today, I called her to ask if she was happy with her progress. She replied, I've done two things. I've implemented a date file and organized a file for information others would need to know if I don't show up for work. Although she told me with an apologetic tone in her voice, I replied, congratulations. Unfortunately, we spend too much time beating ourselves up instead of encouraging ourselves, which is far more likely to reap continued progress. What else would you like to do so you can accomplish your work and enjoy your life? I asked. Well, she replied, I wear so many hats. I really need to organize all the stuff on my desk into different categories, but that would take hours, and I just don't have the time during the workday, and I really don't want to come in on a teacher workday or Saturdays. I replied with a question. Are there things on your desk you really don't need? I'm sure there are, she replied. I don't have any trouble getting rid of things at home, but at school I'm afraid to get rid of anything because the boss might ask for it. Here's an idea, I replied. What if you started asking the question, does this help me accomplish my work or enjoy my life? If your answer is not really, put it in a box, and when the box is full, ask your boss if he wants it, or just put it in a less accessible space in case he asks for it. I never thought of that, she said, but it could work. Years ago, a colleague made a statement which I've never forgotten, and I observed its truth over and over through the years. Over-responsibility often becomes irresponsibility. When you hang on to something because someone else might want it, or you think it's valuable but you don't use or need it, you end up being irresponsible. Either because it's taking time and energy from you, which is a precious commodity, or you are depriving someone else of using it or enjoying it. Is your workspace a productive environment, an intentional environment in which you can accomplish your work and enjoy your life? If not, schedule a discovery session today and create a plan you can start implementing before another year of regret goes by. Thanks for listening.